I talked to a shop owner who specialized in F-150s for 28 years. He's seen thousands of trucks come through his bays.
And he told me something surprising. There are 5 specific F-150 years I almost never see here. They just don't break. Owners drive them, do basic maintenance, and they keep running.
Today you'll find out which 5 years. If you own one, you're lucky. 28 years of specialized shop experience. Thousands of F-150s. He knows exactly which years last, and which rarely come back. I've been studying Fords for years. I talk with the best mechanics. And these 5 years, they always come up as the most reliable. Subscribe because this could completely change how you see your F-150. First year, 1997 to 2003 with 4.6-liter Triton. The shop owner was direct. 97 to 2003, I almost never see these here. When I do, it's for oil changes or preventive maintenance. Practically indestructible engine.
I researched this extensively, talked with several experienced mechanics. They all say the same thing. The 4.6 Triton from this era is one of the most reliable engines Ford ever made. Why? Simple design without complications. Durable internal timing chain. Extremely strong iron block. Ford got everything right this generation.
If you have 97 to 2003 with the 4.6, you're fortunate. Keep up basic maintenance. It'll last. Second year, 2011 to 2014 with 5.0 Coyote. The shop owner explained, first generation Coyote, I rarely see problems. Ford modernized everything but kept the reliability. These F-150s just run. I studied this engine extensively, talked with Ford technicians. The consensus? Phenomenal engine. Dual overhead cam timing chain. Strong but lightweight aluminum block. Variable valve timing without the problems from earlier generations. Owners tell me, 200,000, 300,000 miles without major issues. Just regular maintenance. The Coyote proved as reliable as the legendary 4.6. If you have 2011 to 2014 Coyote, you made a smart choice. It'll serve you a long time. Third year, 2015 to 2017 with 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. The shop owner was honest. 3.5 EcoBoost? Initially, everyone feared the turbos, but these rarely have problems. Ford got the design right. I researched this with mechanics who work specifically on EcoBoost. They confirm the 3.5 is robust, durable turbos, adequate cooling system. Even owners who tow heavy report excellent reliability. The secret? Ford tested this engine exhaustively before launch. Learned from earlier mistakes. Result, reliable turbocharged engine. Want modern F-150 with power and reliability? 2015 to 2017 3.5. You won't regret it. Fourth year, 2018 to 2020 with 5.0 Coyote, second generation. The shop owner told me, second generation Coyote, Ford took a good engine and improved it. Dual injection system, reinforced pistons. These rarely show up here with problems. I talked with specialized technicians, studied Ford's technical bulletins. The Coyote Gen 2 has extremely low failure rate. Owners report 150,000, 200,000 miles without any engine problems. Ford listened to first generation feedback, improved every detail. Result, even more reliable engine than already excellent. Want recent reliable F-150? 2018 to 2020 Coyote Gen 2. Buy with total confidence. Fifth year, 2021 to 2024 with 3.5 PowerBoost Hybrid. The shop owner surprised me. PowerBoost Hybrid? New, but impressive. Combines proven 3.5 with hybrid system. Still early, but I see very few problems. Ford got the integration right. I studied this system deeply, talked with early owners. PowerBoost uses already proven 3.5 base, adds well-designed electric motor and battery. System works perfectly together. Owners with 80,000, 100,000 miles already. They report 0 hybrid system problems, 0 3.5 problems. Everything working as promised. Want modern technology with proven reliability? PowerBoost 2021 to 2024. It's the future built on solid foundation. Those were the 5 years. 1997 to 2003 4.6, 2011 to 2014 Coyote, 2015 to 2017 3.5 EcoBoost. 2018 to 2020 Coyote Gen 2, and 2021 to 2024 PowerBoost Hybrid. 28 years of shop experience confirms these years rarely break. If you have one, you made a smart choice. What year do you have? How many miles trouble-free? Comment. If this helped you, hit that like button. Next video, the worst F-150 years for engines. See you then.